Well, crisis averted. Thanks to my husband who came to the rescue. I thought I had lost everything in my Excel spreadsheet. Let me back up and tell you the story of what happened and lesson learned. So, in another video previously, I think I had shared with you that one of the ways you can have inventory if you're just starting and want to get items for inventory to sell for your eBay store, you can make an arrangement with a family member or a good friend that will trust you and let you make the call on pricing and all the other pertinent details about listing on eBay that they don't necessarily know, but you do. So anyway, here's my almost happened crisis. I have been spending about a week to list all the inventory that I am co-listing with my friend Diane. And Diane had a lot of items she was wanting to get rid of because she was moving, and I went over and selected the items and brought them back to my house and sorted and cleaned them up, decided what was sellable, what was the value of everything that she had entrusted with me for us to sell. So it took me about a week to get everything in inventory, looked up on and doing the research on each item, seeing if there are others like it or similar to it listed, how much are they selling for, what is the list price, and then what are they actually selling for, or what is the sold price. So that takes a lot of time, and we were just getting ready to start photographing each thing, and I opened the Excel spreadsheet today to add a couple of more items that I didn't have on the list yet. And again, this is the inventory list, and from that list I take all the information from it, and it makes listing it pretty much a breeze because I build the description of the item just like I would be putting it in the title of an actual listing. So I opened it, I did a couple of things, and then I tried to save it, and I did something else to it. I don't remember what, but it disappeared. And it went back to 12 items, and I had closer to 40 items on the list, and I am going, Max is in his room working, and I'm going, Max, Max, come here, come help me. And I went, I think I just lost more than half of the inventory sheet. And he's going, what did you do? And I said, I have no idea. So he said, after he got on it and played with it a little while, he said, I think you've lost it all. And I go outside with the dog and sit there and going, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to redo all that work. And there isn't a choice. I mean, that's what you have to do if you lose something and it's not somewhere else that you saved it as a backup. So I had kind of come to the conclusion that I was going to have to re-inventory everything and do all the research over again because I don't remember all those details in my head. I mean, I measured items and had the actual link to the most similar, comparable item. And anyway, so this does have a happy ending. Max came back while I was sitting outside and got on my computer and discovered that we also saved it to my laptop. So it was not gone. It was in a different place. I don't know. I think maybe he said he backed it up and saved it to the not the laptop. I'm not working on a laptop. Anyway, he saved it somewhere else as a backup. So hallelujah. Otherwise, I would be sitting here re-inventorying, remeasuring, and researching everything, and probably another week's work. So instead, I'll show a couple of the items that I'm going to be listing as co-listed by Diane and Jackee on my eBay store. So Diane had some really cool items, and a couple of them actually surprised me because there was more value there than I initially thought. And this is one of them. Let's see, do I have it upside down? No, that's the candle holder. And this is the place where you hang it on the wall. And this actually, I don't remember now what the research showed the price was. I have to do a little more cleaning on it. I'm going to get out the brass cleaner and clean it up before we actually photograph it. But this was a really good item that I think Diane will be happy with what it sells for. And then I have another one over here. I think she has close to 40 items, and a couple of them really are not real valuable, but are good selling items like $39, $49, $29. So this is actually bookends. There are two of these. It's a quail, two quails, and it is made by Big Sky Carvers. And I don't remember where that was. I'm thinking for some reason that it may have been in Canada. But these are really pretty, and I'm not sure if the wood is mahogany or what exactly it is, but these are cast metal, the quail part of it is, and the wood. So, you know, the two flat wood pieces back up to hold the ends of the stack of books. So that's a really pretty one if Diane happens to be watching. These are a nice piece, and they were valued somewhere in the area, I think, of $59. Now there's just a wide assortment of other things. I'm going to reach over and grab a couple. Never used Easy Care sheet set, and many of these items that Diane had are actually vintage items. Some that she got for wedding presents that she never used, and a couple of cases that she never opened. So we have a nice inventory for me to add to the store, and then I will split the proceeds with Diane, who is on her way moving right now to Iowa. Is that where you're headed, Diane? So anyway, the whole point of this video is back up your work. Don't have a scare like I had today and actually have to do it all over again. Again, thank goodness that Max backed it up and we had actually saved it someplace else. And again, I don't know what I did wrong to delete it, but obviously I did something, and we just got lucky on this one. So back up your work. Put it somewhere else that you know you have a fail-safe if something should happen. So that's always a good policy to have in place. So, phew, my day was salvaged. So, if you like this video, please help me build my channel and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I am working really hard to try to give you content that will be useful for you and give you some value. So I appreciate your being here, and I will see you again soon. So until next time, bye for now.